Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest cars. Today, we're taking a close look at a highly anticipated vehicle, the 2025 Tata Nano. Yes, you heard that right. The Tata Nano is making a return in 2025, and it's shaping up to be a whole new beast in the world of compact cars. So, let's dive into the details and explore what this updated version of the iconic Nano brings to the table. Now, for those of you who might not remember, the Tata Nano was first introduced in 2008 with a lot of hype. It was known for its promise of being the world's cheapest car, which made it incredibly popular, especially in India. While the initial excitement was high, the car's production eventually came to a halt. However, Tata has decided to bring it back, and this time, it's bigger, better, and more suited for modern-day needs. Let's start with the design. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Tata Nano is its updated exterior styling. Tata has definitely given the Nano a more contemporary look while keeping its compact, city-friendly proportions. The car is still small, but it now comes with a sleek, aerodynamic shape. It features sharper lines, a wider grille, and a more prominent logo up front. The headlights have been redesigned as well, with LED DRLs that give the car a more modern and premium feel. Moving to the side, you'll notice that the Nano now comes with alloy wheels, which was a feature not present in the original model. The rear of the car has also been tweaked, with new taillights and a more cohesive design. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 Tata Nano looks much more polished and sophisticated compared to the older version. It may still be small, but it definitely looks more in line with today's automotive trends. Now, let's talk about the interior. One of the biggest criticisms of the original Tata Nano was its rather basic and uninspiring cabin. Tata has made significant improvements in the 2025 version, and it shows. The cabin is more spacious, with better quality materials used throughout. The seats have been redesigned for better comfort, and there's more legroom and headroom for both the front and rear passengers. The dashboard is now more modern, with a clean layout and a larger touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also find updated climate control, more USB charging ports, and even a rear-view camera for added convenience. One thing that has remained consistent with the original Nano is its unique, compact layout. The car still has a tallboy design, making it easy to navigate through narrow city streets and tight parking spaces. Despite the improvements in quality and comfort, Tata has managed to keep the Nano's core identity intact, which is a car that's practical, easy to maneuver, and ideal for urban driving. In terms of performance, the 2025 Tata Nano gets a brand new engine under the hood. Tata has replaced the old 0.6-liter, two-cylinder engine with a more modern 1.0-liter, three-cylinder engine. This engine produces around 70 horsepower, which is a substantial increase over the original Nano. The increase in power translates to better acceleration, making the Nano feel more capable on highways and city roads alike. It's still not a high-performance car by any means, but it's definitely more fun to drive than before. The Nano now comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, and there's also an option for an automated manual transmission (AMT) for those who prefer a more relaxed driving experience. The AMT is smooth enough for city driving, and it helps keep the car's fuel efficiency in check. Speaking of which, the Nano's fuel efficiency has improved over the years, with the 2025 model offering an impressive 25 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its segment. Tata has also made improvements in terms of safety, which is another area where the original Nano was lacking. The 2025 Nano now comes with standard safety features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. Tata has also reinforced the car's structure to improve crash safety, and the car now meets the latest safety norms. While it may not be as robust as larger cars, it offers a good level of protection for its size and class. Let's also touch on the pricing, because that's something that everyone's curious about. The 2025 Tata Nano is still positioned as an affordable city car, and Tata has managed to keep the price low despite the updates. The base model is expected to start at around 3 lakh rupees, which is still incredibly affordable considering the features it offers. Of course, there will be higher trims with additional features, but the Nano continues to be one of the most budget-friendly options for anyone looking to get into a new car. To sum it all up, the 2025 Tata Nano is a fantastic upgrade over the original. It retains the compact, affordable nature of the first Nano, but it adds modern design, improved performance, better quality, and updated technology. It's perfect for city dwellers who need a small car that's easy to park, fuel efficient, and still offers a decent amount of features. Tata has clearly listened to feedback from its customers and has made the right changes to ensure the Nano stays relevant in today's market. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Tata Nano. It's great to see how Tata has brought this iconic car into the future, and we're excited to see how it performs on the road. If you're in the market for an affordable, compact car that's perfect for city driving, the Nano should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning into Car Reviewpedia, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more car reviews.